But there is one interesting aspect that you handle that while ending this interview I want to talk about, and that is GST. आणि तुम्ही गोंयाक रिप्रेझेंट करता GST कावन्सिलाचेर. सगळे जाण म्हणटात की आमचे कॉम्पेन्सेशन स्टॉप जातले. कॉम्पेन्सेशन जर स्टॉप जालें मोविन बाब, कितलो व्हडलो खड्डो पडटलो आनीक आमची आज फायनान्शियल तांक आसा काय कितें तो खड्डो भरून काडपाची.
हो प्रश्न जो तुम्ही विचारला तो खूब खूब म्हत्वाचो. हो प्रश्न फकत गोंयचोच न्हू, हो फक्त मोविन गुडिनोचोच प्रश्न न्हू गोंयचे खातीर. हो सगळे स्टेटीचो प्रश्न जावन आसा. जुलय 2022 जे कॉम्पन्सेशन सेस म्हूण आमी फारीक करता, सेंटर फारीक करताले तें बंद जातलें. सगळ्या स्टेटींनी मागणी केला की एम आनी फुडें वचपा जाय, आमकां कॉम्पन्सेशन मेळपाकूच जाय. कित्याक जो पिरियड आमी ठरयलो 2 वर्सां कोविड पिरियड येयलो, all the income suffered when businesses suffered. How are you going to get GST at a high level?
No.
Now there is I am there on the group of ministers for rationalization of rates. We have to further rationalize the rates. आमी सुरवाते बरेच लो रेट दवरले. It is not revenue neutral. Though we called it revenue neutral, it was not on par.
Yes.
It was far below the rates. So in order to look in the long term, and today when our collections have risen to 1.68 lakh crore, certainly we are in a position to rationalize the thing. आता मोदी आता inflation rate is high. मोदे Ukraine जाले, Russia, the war that is going
I
on.
completely agree the rationale behind what you are saying.
Yeah.
My question is very simple. समजा सेंटरान फाल्यां आयकल ना, and center decides की बंद. जुलय 2022 कॉम्पेन्सेशन बंद. आमकां कितलो फटको बसतलो आनी तो फटको भरून काडपाची आज आमच्या अर्थवेवस्थे भितर तांक आसा काय कितें?
एक आसा. We are a federal structure. We are federating states. Center and the state has to work together. I am become now a senior member in the GST Council, and I have had discussion with the various officials, including all ministers, including the central ministers. They have to extend the compensation cess below July 2022. There is no way we can cover up this gap. If you leave it to the states, of course, we will look for avenues how to cover it, कितें करपा तें. पूण गोंय सारके ल्हान state, that's why I have been making out a case that small states should be treated differently. आमकां एक 500 कोटी दिला, 1000 कोटी
पण
दिला, खूब जाता.
एक गजाल मान्य करतात, फाल्यां जर कॉम्पेन्सेशन स्टॉप जालें जाल्यार आमकां सर्वायवला खातीर धडपडचें पडटलें.
आमकांच न्हय, even सगळे smaller states will be worst affected.
Yes.
And even the bigger states will be impacted to a large extent. So as against that situation, I don't think that center can leave us to the winds.
On that optimistic note,
I got a very firm belief that center will think out of the box, give us a good viable solution, and the simplest thing would be to continue the cess for some little more time, for a few more years.
Few more years. तुम्ही बरं म्हणे. I like this about smart politicians like you. You said some little more time आणि माहिती तुम्ही some more years म्हणून. So on that optimistic note, I conclude here. बाब तुमच्याकडे अशी खाती आहात की आम्ही उलयत रावल्यार म्हाका दिसता वर देड वर जातले.